friends, it's Kelly and welcome to my home. So today we are going to be working in my dining room and adding back in some decor after the Christmas season. I've cleaned it all out and it's looking a little bland. I'm not going to go overboard with the winter decor. We are leaving on vacation soon and quite frankly I don't want to have to come home and clean up a bunch of decor when we get back. So I don't want to add too much in, but just enough so that it brings the room to life a little bit and adds a little bit of warmth and coziness. Now, if you've been around my channel for a while, you know I like to reuse items in my home. I haven't purchased anything for this room makeover or for any of the decor in here. I'm just looking around my house and trying to find items that I think will suit this room. I am reusing some greenery and things like that. So nothing fancy, nothing big. That's what I like to do. I hope that you enjoy this video and I'm able to give you a little bit of inspiration to check around your own home and see what pieces you can use, maybe in a new room, in a different way, styled a little differently. It's amazing how a piece can look so different in different circumstances. So I hope that encourages you to do the same in your own home. So without any further ado, let's head into my dining room and let's get making it a little bit cozier. I hope you enjoy. Here's a quick look at how the room currently is standing. Not much has been done since I took down all the Christmas decorations, but I love this room. It is such a joy to have a separate dining room when I'm hosting family and friends. It just is such a beautiful room to have, and I am truly blessed to have it here. What I decided to do with these pictures is I just kept up the prints that I had previously used at Christmas time. They are just taped to the front of the frames and they work. I think they'll be perfect over the winter season. As I mentioned earlier, I am just going to be bringing back pieces of decor that I have used previously, either in this dining room or in other parts of my home, such as this beautiful picture stand that I got from Michael's last year. I love this piece. It is just so unique and I love styling with it. To this bottom shelf, I'm going to add in some of these ginger jars that I've had. Actually, they were a wedding gift, so they are 37 years old. And as you can see, I don't have the lids anymore. They have broken, which is a shame, but I love the vases themselves. The use of books as risers is something I've started to incorporate more into my decor. That way I don't have to go out and spend a lot of money on risers, and I love that. These two little Fabergé eggs I inherited from an aunt who passed away a number of years ago. She collected them over the years and she never had children of her own, so she collected them and passed them on to a lot of her nieces after she passed. So they are really very sentimental and just bring me a lot of joy, and I thought I would break them out again. And here on my sideboard, I thought I would add this table runner here instead of on the table, and it looks like a big scarf. It's one of my favorites and I love the way it looks here. So now I'm just going to work on a few little vignettes and make this look all cozy and ready for winter. this tiny little vase, I added in a pine cone stem, some greenery, and a little pick of white berries. And what that did was it mimicked exactly what is in a picture that I will be placing on this sideboard in a few minutes. I actually forgot to hit record when I placed the picture on, but I will show you a close-up of the picture. And this kind of floral arrangement or greenery arrangement mimics what is in the picture, and I love that. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kelly and I love to do seasonal decor, decorating. I also love to do organization and cleaning. And if these are things that you enjoy, I hope that you will think about subscribing. But if you are new, you may not realize that a lot of the furniture in this room is actually inherited from my in-laws. So all the pieces hold very special sentimental value to us. For my dining room table, I decided to keep it extremely simple, and instead of using a runner, I'm just going to use this little woven charger, placemat, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just going to place one of my clear vases and put in some greenery picks that I've had for a number of years. I think I might have got these from Michael's. Then to add in a little bit of contrast and texture, I'm going to add in these burgundy picks, which are exactly the same thing as what I placed on my buffet with the cream colored pick there. They were from Hobby Lobby on clearance last spring. And I love the added color and texture that it gives to this arrangement. The completed look. I am in love with the way everything came together. It's minimal, yet it still evokes a feeling of warm, cozy, and inviting into the room. And it's not too much when I get back from vacation to put away. And all the decor here will take me right through to spring. There really may not be very much that I have to change at all. And I love that. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope that I was able to give you a little bit of winter decor inspiration to add into your home, whether it's in your dining room, your family room, living room, kitchen, wherever. It doesn't take much to add in a few little winter touches to make your house feel so warm and cozy. Thanks again for hanging out with me. If you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe, and don't forget to like and share this if you did enjoy the video. And until I talk to you in my next video, guys, I hope that you have a great week.